In front of me is Realme GT6 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to access special features. Then scroll all the way down and select simple mode. Then to activate it, hit enter simple mode and wait. As you can see, easy mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, hit settings again and tap on exit simple mode at the very bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!